Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID directly on your iPhone. Now, if you don't like your old Apple ID, or you just wanted to sign up with a new Apple ID account to be able to log into your phone, I'll show you both examples. It's super easy. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. After you tap on the Settings app, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down again to Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on that. And make sure this is turned off. If this is turned on, we won't be able to set up that new account to be able to sign into it on your iPhone. Next, tap the back arrow at the top left, tap back again, and scroll to the top. Tap on your name at the top, and you can see my name, and under it is my email address. Keep in mind, you will need a different email address to sign up for a new Apple ID account. You can only have one Apple ID account on one email address. So if you don't have another email, just sign up for a new Gmail or Yahoo or whatever. After you've done that, you can't sign up for a new one in the settings. So open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. And on here, you're going to go to the exact website, account.apple.com. Again, account.apple.com, and hit go. It will default to asking you to log in. However, instead, we're going to tap the drop-down arrow at the top right. Tap Create Your Apple Account. You can see on here, it says enter in your first name, your last name, and the country. Enter in your birthday. Enter in your email address, again, which needs to be unique and not used on an old Apple ID account. Enter in the password that you want for that account, as well as the phone number. And at the bottom, when you're ready, tap Continue. After you've created that account, let's sign in on your iPhone. Exit out of here, tap on the Settings app again. Let me go back to the beginning. Tap on your name at the top. If you haven't already signed in, it will prompt you at this point to sign into that Apple ID account that you just created. Or if you wanted to switch from your old account, scroll down, tap on Sign Out, and then tap on Sign Out but don't erase iPhone. Tap Continue. Tap Continue. Enter in the Apple ID password for your old Apple ID account. This will sign you out of the old one, and then you'll just be able to sign into the new one that you just created. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.